Hello and welcome back to the Bryan Fagan YouTube channel. I'm Renika Hayes, and if you're a parent with a custody order in Texas and you're considering a move, this video is for you. Today we're discussing what Texas law requires when it comes to notifying the other parent before relocating with your child. In Texas, most custody orders include a geographic restriction, usually limiting the child's residence to a specific county or a group of counties. If you plan to move outside that area, you must notify the other parent and the court in advance. This isn't optional. Failing to notify the court can cause serious consequences, including being contempt of court and violating a person's rights. Under Texas Family Code, the primary conservator must give written notice at least 60 days before the move, unless there is an emergency situation or a court order stating otherwise. Let's look at an example. Jessica, a mother of two, wanted to accept a better job offer in another state. Her custody order limited the children's residence to Harris County. She thought that since the job was a good opportunity and she had full decision-making authority, she could just go. The lawyer stepped in immediately and advised her that she needed to file a modification and it's a motion to modify the existing custody order. The lawyer also helped her send proper notice to the father, giving him time to object or respond. Ultimately, the court reviewed the case and approved the relocation, but not without conditions. Jessica had to agree to a new visitation schedule and cover some of the father's travel expenses. Because her lawyer helped her follow the law correctly, she avoided penalties and maintained a cooperative co-parenting relationship. Courts in Texas always prioritize the child's best interests. That includes maintaining a meaningful relationship with both parents. When one parent relocates, it can disrupt the existing visitation schedule and affect the other parent's access to the child. That's why giving notice and possibly modifying the custody agreement through the court is so important. The court wants to ensure that both parents stay informed and involved. If you're thinking about moving and have a custody order in place, don't risk violating it. Like and subscribe for more family law guidance and schedule a free 30-minute consultation with our team. We'll help you understand your rights and protect your family's future.
Thanks so much for watching our video. We hope you found it helpful and enjoyable. If you liked what you saw, please give us a thumbs up. Got any questions or thoughts? Drop a comment below. And if you know someone who could benefit from this video, don't hesitate to share it with them. For more awesome resources, check out the description below. Take care. We'll see you in the next video.